I have to show you this beautiful rendered fat that I rendered. And this is from the pork fat that I bought, and it's so beautiful. I mean, look at the color of that. It's very creamy, and this is from the other videos, and I use it for my tamales, or you can use it for whatever you wish to use it. I'm going to, so I had some masa left over in the freezer. What I'm going to do is add it to my masa, this beautiful rendered fat that I made, and of course I saved the cracklings, and I added it into my chile verde, which is, there it is, and I'm going to be making the rest of this with some tamales. I still have more that I'm going to render, and if you have a butcher that that is giving you or supplying you with some pork, some beautiful pork fat, which I have here, I'm going to be making some more, give him a gift. I brought him some of my preserves. These are my preserves, and I brought them to them for, and it's the holidays, so 'tis the season, right? Start early, start sharing a spirit of giving, and it's just nice to know that you have some wonderful butchers, and I find that I have the nicest butchers, the nicest meat men, and I mean, I do. What can I say? Where I live, I'm very grateful. And like I said, I'm going to be pouring this. This is just enough. It's like a tepid, and I'm going to be pouring that into my masa and mixing it up so it can soften. So the masa can soften a little bit, and so I can make it pliable to make some chile verde tamales. So, yeah, I'm going to need more. So I'm trying to get this at a good temperature. So, and once you have that, you know, that masa, see, it's cold right now, but once you put that in there, it's going to soften it up and make your tamales right away. And then you can put it back in the freezer. You can put it back in the freezer raw, and then when you get ready to make them, you steam them, and then you can have them for the holidays. Just wanted to show you that real quick. Alrighty, I'll talk to you later.